What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix keyboard disappearing in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on keyboard and input method. Now click on current keyboard and here you can set your keyboard as default. After set your keyboard as default, then go back and click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.